Hello everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curls by the Dozen. Today I will be doing a wash and go featuring Camille Rose Naturals lavender collection. Stay tuned. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I used the Lavender Stimulating Growth System Fresh Cleanse shampoo. I also used the Lavender Stimulating Growth System Quench Deep Conditioner. This stuff is extremely thick. As you can see, it's on my finger and it won't budge. If you want a good moisturizing deep conditioner, I think this would probably be a great option for you. And of course, all the ingredients are natural and organic. Also from this collection, I have the leave-in conditioner. It's called the Whipped Cream Leave-In, and it's an intense moisturizing leave-in cream. So let's see what the consistency is. I bought all of these products from Target, by the way. And no, this is not sponsored, and no, it is not an ad. Let's see. Ooh, it's thick. Extremely thick. Right now I have my water bottle as well as my leave-in, and I divided my hair into 4 sections in order for me to apply the leave-in conditioner before we go in with the gel. Okay, so now it's time to apply the gel. This is the Crush Defining Gel from the collection. It looks like it will be pretty similar to the Curl Maker, and if so, I should love this gel as well. So now we're gonna get into styling. I have a small section of hair right here, as you can see. I have my Denman brush, my water bottle, as well as the gel. So let's begin. I'm gonna start off by spraying my hair with a little more water. If you watched my last wash and go video, you will see I like when my hair is extremely saturated. And now I'm just going through with my Denman brush. And so, the moment of truth. Let's see, have it in my hands. Looks pretty good so far. The curls are super defined and the hair feels like it's in place. It doesn't feel dry, but it feels like it does have the extra hold that the product says it does. Okay, let's go through one more time. This is without brushing it a second time. The curls are super defined, super popping. Okay, let's go in with the Denman brush. Let's see. This is why I love the Denman brush. The curls are always so bouncy, so defined, and if you know me, you know I love definition. Looking great so far. So let's get another piece of hair. Okay, so here is another piece of hair. We're going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to spray with my water. Make that in. always making sure the hair is nice and wet before applying a gel. That always sets in the style for me. I know some people can do their wash and goes on, you know, damp or even dry your hair. However, I can't. I'm not one of those people. I've never tried it, but I don't think I want to. So here's my hair after brushing it with the Denman brush, and it only has the leave-in, the whipped cream leave-in, and some water. Looks pretty good to me. Now it's time to get some gel. Smooth that over my hair. You're not ready yet. There's always that one piece of hair that wants to get in the mix before it's their time. Ooh. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Looks so juicy. Now we're gonna go in with the Denman brush. Ooh. Absolutely love the definition and the curls. Now I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair and I'll come back to show you the final result. Hello everyone, so I am back with my final results and this is what we have here. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow after my hair dries and I will show you what my dry results look like. Hello everyone, so I am back. As you can see, my hair is about 90% dry and this is my final look. I love the results. My hair is super soft, super defined, and it smells really, really good. Let's zoom in. You can see this. Look at these curls. Absolutely in love. I'll show you this side. I think this gel is great. It does actually remind me of the Curl Maker, except it has a different scent. And the hold is about the same in my opinion. I would definitely recommend this product thus far. This is only day 2 for me since I washed my hair last night, but I'm sure my results will be great. If you have not, follow me on Instagram, Curlsbythedozen, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.